Hello viewers, I am Deepti. Today I am going to discuss with you a few games that you can use at your school's carnival. These have been a great success during my school's winter carnivals and have helped me in making a hat trick as the top fundraiser and entertainer. In today's video, I will share with you how to play these games and make your students happy. I'm sure if you follow the simple tricks, you can be a crowd puller and a super hit at your carnival. The first game that I am going to share with you is a very creative and novel game. I have named it Fingaroo Ball. I have put the details of making the board in the description box along with the line diagram. Let us see how to play this game. Depending on the value of coupons issued by your school, you may choose an appropriate amount. However, I suggest that you keep Rs 20 coupons for each player. Keep the board inclined at about 15 to 20 degrees, sloping toward the numbered partitions. Now the player gets 3 balls for Rs 20 and the task is to roll the ball down from the start line, aiming to score maximum by putting the balls in the partitions. To make your game attractive and a crowd puller, you need to make some charts and banners and should use some slogans. Slogans made by my students are मत सोचो बहाना लगाओ निशाना जीतो खजाना डबल शॉट है जरूर आजमाना इनामों का है भंडार जीतो डिफरेंट गिफ्ट हर बार निशानों का है खेल देखो तुम पास हो या फेल उंगलियां चलाओ इनाम पाओ कम प्ले एंड कैलकुलेट द सम देखो तो जरा किसमें कितना है दम चेक योर एम कम एंड प्ले फिंगरू गेम इट्स अ थ्रिल ब्राइटर योर नेम otherwise just ball game. Now let us play the game live and see how a player can win different category of prizes. Here I want to show you that I have inclined this plane by 20 degree for the smooth rolling of these balls. Now in my first trial, when I give a first shot to my ball, it is a 6. In my second trial, it is a 4. And then in my third trial it is a 1. So it means my sum total of all the 3 balls in the partitions is 6 plus 4 plus 1, it means 11. So this player is eligible to get a prize based on this chart. 0 to 6 it is a participation prize, 7 to 12 it is a player's delight, and 13 to 17 it is a mega prize, and 18 of course a bumper prize because in all the 3 shots you got 6, only then 18 is possible. I would like to emphasize here that if you keep a variety of items as prizes for all the 4 categories, it would be better for your game since children will be attracted to play multiple times. The mantra of success is not just the game but also the prizes. My philosophy is simple: you make the children winners and they will make you win in return. Next game in the series of super hit games for your carnival is Snakes and Ladder. Don't skip this video since this is not just the conventional Snakes and Ladder which you have played in your childhood. There is a twist in the game. So come, let's play with me. To be a crowd puller, you should use attractive banners, chart papers along with beautiful slogans. The slogan I have used here is खर्च करो थोड़ा ज़्यादा इनाम का पक्का वादा, or spend a little more, prize is 100% sure. Other slogan you may use are इनामों का है भंडार जीतो different gift हर बार. Next is मत सोचो कोई बहाना डबल शॉट है जरूर आजमाना. This board has numbers marked only till 24 and it is played with the help of 2 dice. I recommend that you take Rs 20 coupons from each student. The student has to throw the dice on the table and depending on the total score, that is the sum of numbers on both the dice, you move the player on the ladder board. This is our player. If the student want to pay Rs 40, he gets to throw the pair of dice 2 times and has a chance to win a bumper jackpot. Let us play the game live with me and see how a player, a student or a teacher win different category of prizes. This is my first throw of dice and my score is 3 plus 1, it means 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. If my score would be 3, then there is a ladder and I got the score of 12. If a student have paid 40 rupees, then one more chance is there. It means second chance of throwing a dice. It is 4 and 4. It means 8. So plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So my final score is 12. And according to this chart, 9 to 12, it means participation prize is there. Now let us play the game again. In this case, my first score is 6 plus 4. It means 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. On 10, luckily I got a ladder and my final score is 19. In only first chance, my score is 19. So according to the scoreboard, 2 to 7, pay again, to try again. 9 to 12, participation prize. But 14 to 19, I will get a mega prize here. 20 to 24, it will be a bumper prize and more than 25, it will be a jackpot. Suppose I have paid 40 rupees, so I will get another chance of throwing this dice. And my another score is 6 plus 6, it means 12. So 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got the final score. It means jackpot is mine. To increase the probability of winning more, I have made 4 ladders here and only 2 snakes are there on 8 and 22. So that a student may get a complete happiness or you can say a jackpot with full score. This is a game of luck and possibility. However, creating excitement among the students is your priority. So as I told you earlier, keep a variety of prizes for each category to ensure maximum fun and maximum collection. You win when the student wins. If you want me to make another video or what kind of gifts you may purchase for your carnival, then I can make another video on this topic. Hope you like my video. Keep sharing, watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.